1. What is up, YouTube? We are back at it again.
With another video. We're back again with another video.
Playing Airplane 2. Part 2 of Airplane. So, you know. Oh.
You guys seem to really like Airplane 1, so.
Yep. Nice. I got front row and I got window.
You got front row and window? Lucky. I got next to this loser.
Welcome back. For real. My name, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft.
Ooh.
Heard right? The president would like to celebrate person. Yeah, you, Jason, and you only.
Mm-hmm.
We still don't understand how the cat lost control. Yeah, because you're unconscious, dude. Boy. Get in your seat, Jason. Jason, get in your freaking seat. Jason, what is it?
I want to get in.
Oh my god. We just did a barrel roll.
Wait, they're talking. Wait, those two are talking. And remember, no one should know about this. Oh, what? Ooh, they walked away. Go.
Did anyone else see that?
Jerome, I'll give you some instructions. Let's go.
If I was, dude, this dude got stuck. Oh my gosh. Hey, if I was the one flying the aircraft, I would have crashed.
That's all. The president's almost ready.
Me. Oh.
Of course you did, you loser. Run. Look at this mess.
Oh, there's
It's going to be.
Bro thinks he's gonna. Bro thinks to the dining room. No, actually, follow me. Isn't this a dining room?
Yeah. I was about to say that.
Pooh's already at the kitchen. Pooh's already at the kitchen. Oh my god. Look.
Oh, yeah, he's hacking. There's no way.
He's the one president we know. Why isn't he orange? Okay. This girl.
How are people getting stuck? My name is Ron. Yeah, we can tell, loser. The president of Robloxia State. In the frick kitchen.
Food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? So that chef off this plate. No, it's the same girl that messed up.
No, it's the same girl that messed up. No.
But Mr. President, I never cooked before. I think he glitched into there. No, don't tell me she knows how to cook, right? Yo, this bitch got a turkey leg. Skin face, yo.
No, she knows how to cook.
That's not fair.
I want her to get thrown out.
See, I thought she was a noob.
Ooh, I'm sitting right next to the president. There's like a freaking banana. There's green stuff. Oh, how did Sigma Boy die?
They died because there wasn't enough spaces on the freaking table.
If you jump off the seat, you die. You're like dropping like, dude, you're dropping like flies.
Yes, literally, I was about to say that.
Dude, computer room. Ooh, well, I'm playing games all day. Oh my gosh, yo, it's my video. Yo, it's my video here. It's my video right here, bro. Yo, you guys definitely should like and subscribe, bro. You know? Oh, yo, your video's fire, bro.
I know, man.
Go check out mine, bro.
Let's see yours.
So good.
That is so freaking fire.
I know, right?
How are you still alive with your...
There's no way. Then where are you gonna sleep? For some reason I can't find the keys. Wait, where are the keys again?
He's the monster, isn't he?
Oh, they're right here.
I found the keys! Why am I talking? Great!
He's still just sitting in his chair talking to us through the room. President! I don't feel... Like, I don't feel safe around the president, bro. He feels off. Oh, the president's gone. Where'd he go, bro?
Ew, what is that, dude?
Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's that dude.
What's that dude?
What's that same guy from the first one?
He looks different, though.
Bro said hi, monster.
You
Oh no, it's the monster.
No, duh. Did you really forget about me so early? Yeah, I did.
No, we really don't care about
He's dead.
Yo, I'm on top of the world, bro.
Are we safe now?
Are we safe now? I don't know. Speedrun. You will not escape. Oh, we're cooked. Oh no! Don't let him catch you.
Where is he?
Where is he? Oh, he's right here. He's right here, Robin. He's right here. He's right here. Come on. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2. He was right on you. The door's open. Get it? No, it's great.
Hey, look, there's no buttons here. That's good.
Yeah, no more buttons. Oh my gosh, this plane is just as weird. Click it. Just click. There's like clicking random. Yes! This is the other one. Yo, there's another plane in the air.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's another plane like way up there. Oh, okay, why are you saying you're built different?
For real. He used to be once a human, but he had no friends. Yeah, I know. But as a matter of fact...
So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you of his death. There's a note that says "isn't here." Take the gun. Where? Oh, there's a gun here.
Wait. The agent or the president?
You only have one chance.
Because the president always
discover
left
him
early.
and kill him.
The president always left early. And the
Yeah, where's the president anyways?
at the start always said, don't ever...
I've been looking for you. What? You haven't been around a bus.
It's over.
It's over.
This
We've
kid,
just...
bro, this kid can't even take it.
Wait! Put the gun down!
We know about the plenty.
Oh yeah.
We know that one of you is a monster. It has to be the agent.
Dude, because the agent was talking to another agent earlier.
Because maybe the president is early.
The high agent? Okay.
I don't trust you. What the frick is your turkey leg, dude? Move it up.
Ow! What is that? It's the monster! Mr. President? Oh, we know it was agent. It's been haunting us since their first trip. It tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us.
That is crazy.
That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life.
Congratulations,
passengers.
You saved
the day once again.
Yep, this time it was on me. That was so scary. Let's go home.
I'm so scared. Let's go home.
Capybara did.
You just jump in.
Where's the spider gone now?
I don't know. The way it's still looking at it like that.
Bro, he's looking at the president's butt.
Finally. gone.
Oh, he just blinked.
Oh,
Did you not see that?
No.
Victory.
Victory!
That is the end of the W freaking video. I hope you guys liked it. You know.
Yeah!
If you guys want, we could play Airplane 3 and 4. Soon we're gonna come out with, you know, other bangers. But right now, we are on a posting grind. And stay blessed.
Yeah.
Peace.
Yep, peace.